Hi friend, welcome back to my channel for content creators and entrepreneurs. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to make 1 month's worth of videos in one day. After watching this video, you will have the tools that you need to create videos quickly and efficiently, so you don't have to waste any more time creating your content. So if you are a small business owner, a thought leader, an online business coach, a content creator of any kind, an entrepreneur, someone who creates videos consistently, this video is for you. Let's get into it. All right, friend, let's talk about how to make videos quickly and efficiently so you can spend more time building your business, growing your audience, quite frankly, doing anything other than sitting in front of a camera recording content. You can make 1 month's worth of videos in one day. Let's be honest, making videos can be super time consuming. It can be nerve-wracking and stressful stepping in front of the camera. It can be frustrating. And if you're not an aspiring filmmaker or an experienced video producer, it can be very stressful making videos. But friend, it doesn't have to be this way. With the right amount of preparation, you can crush 1 month's worth of video content in one day. So if this is something you're super stoked about, like I am, hit that like button below. The method that I'm about to share with you comes from about a decade of experience making videos. As a video producer in Southern California, I've produced TV commercials, online ads, branded social content, product videos, lifestyle videos, viral videos. The list goes on and on. But one thing that I have learned over the years is that it is always most efficient to batch create your videos. So what does this mean? What does it mean to batch create your content? Well, it basically means create a bunch of content all at one time, okay? So let's say you plan on releasing 4 videos per month. That's 1 per week. If you want to batch create this content, you shoot them all in one day. Let's talk about how to do this effectively. To batch create your video content, you need to plan out your videos beforehand. The first step to this is to choose your video topics. And the way that you want to do this, you want to choose topics that are searchable. And better yet, you want to choose topics that are searchable that your ideal customers and your ideal audience is searching for. So, choose your video topics is step 1. The second step to planning out your videos so that you can batch create your content is to write a script. Once you have your topic chosen, you write out a script so that you know exactly what you're going to say in your videos. When you have a script, it helps you to feel prepared when you step on camera. It makes you more confident that you know exactly what you're going to say, and it makes it faster to step in front of the camera and record because it's all written down in front of you. You can knock it out and move on to the next one. So that is step 2. Make sure to write a script. Now, if you struggle with creating scripts, I created a video script template that I use in all of my long form content. It's called the Creator's Blueprint. I will make sure to link that in the description below. But let's go ahead and move on to step 3. Once you have chosen your video topic and you've created your video scripts, make a shot list for any supplemental B-roll that you want to include in your video. So again, you have it laid out in front of you, exactly what you need to shoot. So on the day that you plan on batch creating your content, it's right in front of you. You can check things off the list. You can shoot them quickly, get it done in one day. So when you follow this method, when you choose your video topic, write your script, and create a shot list, you've gotten completely organized. You have outlined everything that you need to capture, and you've made it possible to shoot multiple videos in one day. You can shoot 1 month of content. You can shoot more than 1 month of content. Today, I'm shooting 4 or 5 videos, however many I can fit into the day. So this is batch creating your content. Now, the purpose of this video is to show you how to shoot your content all in one day. You will still need to go in and edit your videos, but that is a whole other topic by itself. But I promise, friend, if you use the process outlined in this video, your content creation will become much smoother, more efficient, and less time consuming. So you can spend more time doing what you actually want to be doing and less time making videos. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'm coming out with a ton of content creation and business building content coming up, and you don't want to miss any of it. So make sure you hit that bell for notifications as well. If you need help with your script writing, make sure you check out the Creator's Blueprint. I have linked it in the description below. And as always, please drop me a comment below. Let me know any topics you would like for me to cover. I love hearing from you. So, my friend, I will catch you in the next one.